equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 1790. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Conga 1790 may experience battery issues, which can manifest as reduced runtime or failure to charge. This often occurs due to battery wear over time or a faulty connection. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to complete device failure, leaving you without a reliable cleaning assistant. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the Conga 1790. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the casing, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the battery, which is typically secured with screws. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver, and carefully disconnect the battery cables. When replacing the battery, ensure the new one is correctly aligned and securely connected. Reassemble the device by reversing the opening process, ensuring all clips are properly engaged. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future battery issues, avoid overcharging your device and ensure it is stored in a cool, dry place when not in use. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.